Hello, welcome back to part 2 of this printer thing in Scratch. Let's get started. So what we're going to do is this is building off of the image renderer from last time. So you can go ahead and go see that video and then come back. It's a really short video if you haven't already seen this one. But in this video, we're going to be adding a save code. So let's get started. So go ahead and make a list, call it code. Make two variables, one called code, and the other called letter hash. Letter hash will be keeping track of what letter will be. This list will be for just copying and pasting your save code. So, what you do, you can show that and make it as small as I did. And go ahead and also make a custom block, call it load, run without screen refresh. Then, under this, go ahead and hide list code, and then ask and wait after it hides and deletes all that stuff. Then ask save or load. New or load, sorry. And then if else, if answer contains N, which means that it was new or they started to type new or something like that, then it will do the normal stuff. Else, it will load. So, under the load custom block, you're going to ask and wait, paste the save code here, and then set letter hash to 1, then repeat length of answer, repeat length of answer, add letter hash of answer to the pixels. First, go ahead and delete all of pixels here. And then, go ahead and, under that, add change letter hash by 1. Okay, good. Now, under that repeat, go ahead and render it. So now, under this render stack, go ahead and add a delete all of pixels. Not delete all pixels, delete all of, no, yeah, never mind. But then, under here, set code to just the pixels list. Then here, underneath this, it will go ahead and show list code after it adds and deletes all of it, and then it'll add code to the code list, show it, then it'll wait 10 seconds for people to copy it, and then it'll hide it again. Good, so now it should be working. So now if we run this, if I go ahead and show our Pico here, if I do new, it will realize that it's that, and now I'll start drawing. Okay, so now what you do, so that's a glitch. So what we'll need to do is, does it add code to code? Yes, it does. So what it will need to do is go ahead and, yeah, you really actually don't know what's happening there. So, yeah. Oh, maybe it'll just be a lot easier if we just delete off code and then add pixels. Oh, this is it. You need to set code at the top, because when we delete the pixels, it makes it nothing. So yeah, that's the issue all fixed there. Sorry about that. It's all part of coding. So now if we run this, press N to mode, because I think that makes it faster, probably. But comment baked potatoes for a shout out if you want to. But subscribe for if you really want to, it's free for more tutorials and other videos, mainly Scratch tutorials though. Okay, so it's done drawing it originally. And now, there we go. Copy it, Command C. And then, what we can do, we can go, make it non-turbo mode. If we do load, and we hide the Pico just to show you this, paste it. It'll erase everything, but then it'll draw it again. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day. Like and subscribe for more tutorials. I will see you next time, and comment baked potatoes for a shout out. And I'll end the video after this Pico is drawn.